This is going to inspire you. You know when they say he's got moves like Jagger?
Yeah.
He still does after heart surgery.
Well, he is Jagger.
He is Jagger, and he still has the moves.
We get the song, right?
This video went viral. Do we have the song?
Yeah.
Oh, here he goes.
No, this is
he
it.
posted this, and it's gone viral because, friends, this is a few weeks after he had heart surgery and had to cancel the last leg of the tour.
He had to replace a valve last month.
Right.
Had heart surgery, a procedure to do that, of course. He's 75 years old.
Look
this
at
is the Wombat song techno fan.
So even his son was commenting, you know, because of course everybody, Lenny Kravitz, everybody was chiming in. They can't believe how quickly he's been able to recover and build up his stamina. That's some fancy fast footwork.
First of all, I couldn't do that right now.
No, I'd be exhausted. He is in such shape, by the way. 75 years young. He keeps rolling. And
he also apologized. He said, listen, I was devastated about postponing the tour. I'll be working very hard to be back on stage as soon as I can. And
Can you do that, T?
Can you? Are you doing it?
Do it, T.
Oh my gosh.
It's just a lot of like,
what is that?
Move your feet. Yes.
Just like that? You got the moves like Jagger?
I don't know.
You got the moves like Jagger.
I don't know. It's something like that, but give it up for Mick Jagger, everybody. Are you kidding me? Oh, yes. The Devo Beaver
I don't have the moves like Jagger, though.
See, that's a slower tempo, though. He's
like,
doing, like, high aerobic activity.
We got to move like him. Can we get that video of him as well to this? I can't do the... There it is.
Oh, faster on the feet. Okay, it's all lower body.
Okay, and he's just like, oh, he almost does like jumping jacks, like that. He's only doing like that. What is that? He's like, he comes in like skipping.
You're gonna fall.
You are gonna fall. Let's get back to our chairs.
Okay, you know what he doesn't have though?
See, I'm tired already.
He doesn't have the shoes like boats. Okay, anyway.
So amazing. So they had to postpone that North American tour. They had to postpone that North American tour because of his heart, and of course, he's looking like he's back and ready to go.
P.S. I'm out of breath after trying to repeat the moves like Jagger.
You did that for about 18 seconds.
8 seconds?
Yeah.
Mick Jagger, 75, fresh out of surgery, perfectly fine. He probably went on like that all afternoon. So we all need to get...
You are out of breath! And she's sweating. Can we get that box of tissues back over here?
What's happening? Anyway, he is gold, and he's still on that stage, and it is such an involved show. He does hyperactive moves the entire time. He's not up there like Mariah Carey doing the with the hand.
He's just moving the whole time. You're... Okay. All right.
I got the sweats like Barney.
Wow.
I don't know what that means.
That's what you do with... Okay. We're going to send things up to Mel now. Yeah.
Dad? Oh.